Okay, here we've scratched the wood, and Chris is now applying the maintenance paste in attempts to repair the scratch. So you're going to apply the paste, rub it in a little bit with your finger. It's going to soak into the wood a little bit. You're going to take your green burnishing disc and you're going to start rubbing. So what this is doing is it's, first of all, it's sanding out the scratch a little bit, and then it's closing the grain of the wood and sealing in the oil and the paste into the wood, providing a new layer of protection. If you look at that there, looks like the scratches. Can't see it anymore. Can you see it now?
No, it's gone. Yeah, it's gone. Just gonna put a little extra on there.
Okay, so the scratch is gone. The wood just looks a little bit dry there, so we're just going to add a little bit of extra paste. You don't want it to get dry when you're using the burnishing disc. You want to make sure you're sanding it with the paste on it, wet sanding it. Voila, that's it. You're just going to wipe away the excess paste with a paper towel. And as you can see, there is no sign of that scratch.